Let's walk through how to purchase exam retakes as a facility. First, go to all products in your facility store. Then go to the filter drop-down and select exam retakes. Add some exam retakes to your cart. Then, proceed to cart. Read through and accept the terms and conditions. Now, select your payment method and proceed to checkout. Fill out your payment information. And click Pay to process your payment. The payment has been completed and the order information is available on the order history page. You can also view the receipt by clicking the receipt icon for the order. Now, go to your facility portal, and then Vouchers in the drop-down menu to assign the exam retakes just purchased. Click the person icon corresponding to the voucher you want to assign, and select the individual you want to assign it to. Repeat the process for your other vouchers. Click Export to see further voucher assignment details. Thank you for watching.